The Vivo Y83 features a 6.22-inch HD Plus screen, which makes it suitable for entertainment and gaming. The sleek finish and the curved edges makes it easy to hold and stylish at the same time. The phone is available in two color options, black and gold. This phone has a 4GB RAM and a 32GB internal memory, which can be expanded up to 256GB. The Vivo Y83 has dual SIM slots, which both support 4G Volt capability. It also has a dedicated slot for microSD card. It has a 6.22-inch full-view HD Plus capacitive touchscreen and has a notch display and the screen-to-body ratio of 88%, which maximizes screen size and enhances viewing and gaming experience. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor and face unlocking feature for quicker access. The phone features a 13-megapixel rear camera with HDR, Pro mode, AI Face Beauty and other modes. It also has an 8-megapixel front camera for good selfies. The Vivo Y83 runs on Android Oreo-based Font Touch OS and has a 2 GHz MediaTek octa-core processor, which makes it suitable for multitasking and gaming. This phone is powered by a 3260 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, headset, warranty card, SIM ejector pin, protective case, an applied protective film and a user manual. The Vivo Y83 is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.